Hey friends, Kevin here, and I just got this jump starter in from Powrun. Now they know I have a lot of experience with these things, so they sent this in for me to test out and share the results with you. I'm going to test this on a couple of different vehicles, small and large, low batteries and completely dead batteries, and we'll find out exactly what this is capable of doing. So it is going to come in a zippered carry case. Instructions, the main unit, section for accessories. The instruction manual does have pictures and it looks pretty thorough. On the accessory side, we're going to have a USB cable, standard USB on one end to charge this, USB-C on the end where it plugs into the unit. Behind this rubber door is where we'll plug this in to charge it. And behind this rubber door, these will only plug in one way, so you can't do it wrong. Pretty good springs. So you should be able to attach this to any battery, even one of those goofy little side post batteries. Little display, as soon as we plug this in, it recognized we were trying to do something. It shows that we're 74%. Hold that for a couple of seconds. That will turn on a light. It does have different modes. Push it again to turn it off. So basically when you're ready to use this, all you need to do is plug this in, hook it to the battery. If you need to do more of a boost, there is a button right here. So I do like the way it looks, but the only thing I care about is how well this thing is actually going to work. Let's go try it out. Test number 1, low battery on a V6 engine. It has built-in safety protection in case you have these reversed, but the little green light means it recognizes that there's a battery in here. So all we have to do is start the vehicle. Test number 2 is where we find out how good this Powrun unit is. Now this old land yacht is not going to start, and what I want to know is, will this turn the motor in this fast enough? This has a monster size 460 Ford engine in it, and it has a 100% dead battery, which means we're going to have to use the full boost mode. Okay, and here you can see it does not recognize this battery at all because this is completely drained. So now we're going to hit this boost button. You heard it click. It's now sending a signal into that battery, giving it enough of a charge that it can recognize the battery. So let's see if it can actually turn this monster-sized engine over. Now this old girl has an engine problem. I knew it wasn't going to start, but what I wanted to know was, would it turn this motor fast enough that if everything was right, it would have started. And this unit did that. When you hit that boost button, you have about 10 or 15 seconds from the time you hit that button to get around and get in the car, crank that engine. So based on these two tests, I would say this unit does what it says it will do. And I'm a firm believer in having a battery booster jump pack in every vehicle, because oftentimes I am way out in the middle of nowhere alone. I have no one to help me if something goes wrong. So for me, it's a necessity, but it's also nice to be able to stop and help out other people who are having an issue without having to deal with jumper cables. Just throw this on their vehicle, even if they've left their lights on for hours and have a completely drained battery. Hit that little boost button, let this thing do its job.